everyone, welcome to Tilottamahandloom.in. I am Chaitanya. Today I am going to show you our premium quality Kantha work sarees. All the sarees are pure in quality and hand stitched sarees. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for a regular notification. And if you would like to book any saree, just take the screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. And if you like to book the sarees from our website, then log on to our website, that is www.tilottamahandloom.in. So let's start to see our sarees today. This is first saree of this episode. This is first Tassa silk saree in Kantha work. This is the body portion of the saree. All over the saree have the only print on it, and its base color is Tassa color and the thread color is in red. And all the sarees stitched are hand stitched sarees. I am giving you the close look of the saree and the stitch work of the saree. See the only motifs. All these motifs are in hand stitched. I am showing you the back part of the saree also, so you can check that is the hand stitch or not. This is check the back side of the saree. This is the hand work. All these are hand work. Exclusive premium quality sarees. These are. This is the pallu portion of the saree. And now show you the detail look. This is the first part of the saree, and all over the saree going through the same way. The orly print all over the saree stitched like this. It's full stitch saree. You can see the mannequin picture also in the screen. This is the pallu portion of the saree. This saree price is 8,950. All the sarees are pure silk mark certified, pure silk. Particularly this saree is in pure Tassa silk saree, silk mark certified. It's look like this. And the blouse piece also running. This is the blouse piece of the saree, and you can use this stitch for your back and hand. Second saree, this is a black Bangalore silk, and the thread color is also in red. This is the second saree of this episode, and it has also the same orly motif. The material is pure Bangalore silk. This is the pallu portion of the saree, and blouse piece also running. This is the black blouse piece. Now I am giving you the detailed look of the saree. See the thread work. This is the pallu part, and this is the close look of the saree. All over the saree going through like the same way. This is the half portion of the saree is the full jal work. Half portion of the saree, and lower half of the saree is in the skirt motif. After draping, it's look like this. And you can check the mannequin picture also in the screen. This saree price is 8,500, and this is the full saree look. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website, that is www.tilottamahandloom.in. You can directly purchase from our website also. The Kachi Tassa base color is pure Tassa color, and the both side border is in floral motifs. Very ornamental design, and the color combination is also very good, elegant. It's grey with pink and orange color motif. This is the front portion of the saree. Now see the work. This is a full hand stitch Kantha work saree. This is the back portion of the saree, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and you get the border work for your hand and back. See the work. Full saree going through like the same way. Very beautiful ornamental design, and the Tassa quality is also very good. This is the border portion of the saree. See, this is the border portion of the saree. Now show you the lower border. This is the lower border. So if you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is our next saree. This is a pure Bangalore silk Tassa silk saree. I am giving you alternate options, Tassas and silks. So this is a silk saree, pure Bangalore silk, and this color combination is grey with pink and floral motif. And this is the pallu portion of the saree, pink pallu, and blouse piece also running. This is the grey color blouse, and you get the temple for the hand and back use. Now I am showing you the close look of the work. This is the back portion. This is the pallu portion of the saree. This is the work. Now showing you the back part. See, I am showing you every saree very detailing, because this is a hand stitched sarees and premium quality sarees. And see, this is the blouse portion. This is the blouse piece of the sari. This sari price is 7,350. After dripping, it's look like this way. Very beautiful sari. And this sari price is 7,350. If you like, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is the next sari. This sari is in Tussar silk, premium quality. It's Desi Tussar, and this sari has the same Tussar color. It's chandan color weaving. Actually, we are dyeing it. The Tussar we are dyeing it. It's little bit chandan color, and both side border is in maroon, and these rose motifs with the temples. Both side border. It's very beautiful sari, and this sari, check the quality and check the designs. This is the floral motifs. Okay, this is the floral rose motifs in the borders, both side border, and sari going through like this way. Full sari going through like this way, and the body color is light chandan color. It's not exactly in Tussar color. It's light chandan color actually. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu portion of the sari. Now I am showing you the back part. See the stitch work. See, this is the stitch work of the sari. All these are hand stitch. And now showing you the blouse piece. This is the contrast maroon color blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay, and it has also the temples in the borders, and it has this blouse piece also have this buta design all over the blouse piece. See, after dripping hers love. Very beautiful sari, and if you like to book this sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Otherwise, you can log on to our website, that is www.tilottamahandloom.in, and you will directly purchase from our website also. Prices, this sari price is 8,750. This sari also silk mark certified pure Tussar silk sari. This is in silk. This is Bangalore silk sari. This is in silk sari, and the work is definitely very elegant. This is a fish motif. Also have these temple designs all over the sari. See the full sari designs. It's very elegant, very elegant. The body is base color is white. Actually, it's off-white. Base color is off-white, and it has the own thread designs, lines designs in the borders. And we are doing the kantha work in border also, both side border. And it has its own stripe weaving pallu also. This is a stripe weaving pallu, and we are doing kantha work in the pallu portion also. So after dripping, it's look like this. After dripping, it's look like this. Very elegant sari. Color combination is off-white with red and grey, black. This is the palla, and this is the stripe. This is the pallu portion of the sari. I am showing you the stitch work also. Hope you will understand the stitch work. So I am giving you the detailed look of the sari. See, this is the full sari design. Full sari. All over the sari have the same work. All over the sari. Okay. This is the front portion of the sari, and back side of the sari have also the same work. Till end. Till end. Okay. This is the till end, and this is the blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece. Blouse piece, we are not doing the kantha work. This is the plain portion, and we are doing only in the border portion. See, this is the border portion. We are doing the kantha work for the blouse piece. This sari price is 8,950. You will get silk mark certified with this sari. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. Bangalore silk sari. The body color, base color is grey. It's very colorful sari, also very elegant. This is a corner to corner work. The work is decreased with the corner. After dripping, it's look like this, and this is the Ganesh motif all over the pallu. See the full pallu. This is the Ganesh motif all over the pallu work. This is the back portion of the sari, and this is the front, the Ganesh motif. I'm sure again. See. Okay, dripping is look like this way, and this sari price is 7,750. This sari price is 7,750. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. We are doing wholesale also, so if you like to take wholesale, then you can contact the same number, that is 7890721706. This is the full sari look. This is our next sari. This is base color is Tussar color. This is pure Tussar silk sari, Desi Tussar, Gachi Tussar you can say also. The upper border is a little bit thicker, and lower side border is like skirt border motif. Colorful saree, also very elegant. This is the pallu portion of the saree. This is the pallu part of the saree, and this is all over the saree. See, after dripping, it's look like this way, and you can check the mannequin picture also in the screen. Portion of the saree, and all over the saree, going through like the same way. This is the upper border. This is the upper border, and lower border is little bit thicker. This is the lower border. The blouse piece is like this way. You get this border in this blouse piece, and show you the thread work also. This is the back portion of the saree. This is the back portion of the saree. This is very exclusive premium quality tussar silk saree. So I am giving you every detailed look of the saree. So after dripping, it's look like this. This saree price, I am telling you, this saree price is 8,750. 8,750. And if you like to take this saree, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is our another tussar silk saree, Kantha work tussar silk saree. This saree body color, base color is original tussar color of white, and the thread we are using it light grey. It's bluish grey with the red color combination, and it has a panel work design also all over the saree, going through like the same way. This is figure correction saree, and this is the pallu portion of the saree. Ornamental also, very ornamental design. Love this traditional designs in the Kantha. So this is very rich look. This is a very rich look on the saree. Bluish grey with the red color combination, and all over the saree have this same. And this tussar also very good in quality. You get the silk mark certification with this saree. Pallu. Okay, all the work are hand work. I am again mentioning all the work, the thread work in the back side, because I am showing you, because all the stitched are hand stitched. Many people are asking about all the embroidery are hand embroidery or not. So I am giving you every detailed look of this saree. This is the hand embroidered Kantha work saree. And see the blouse piece. After dripping, it's look like this. And this saree price is 8,700. This saree price is 8,700. This is our next saree. It's 3D katan. Actually, this is the Vishnupuri silk, Vishnupuri katan, and we are doing thread work on both orange. This is the two shades of red and orange of the saree. Both side border we are doing this Kantha work, and in middle part of the saree we are doing the floral, small floral motifs on it. And this is very bright pallu. This is green shade pallu. Green with yellow shaded pallu. This is the pallu portion of the saree, and we are doing the white thread on it. Very colorful saree. Thread work. This is the thread work saree. The green is blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree. This saree price is 7,500. This saree price is 7,500. This is 3D katan, Vishnupuri katan silk, and this is the pallu portion of the saree. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. Otherwise, you can log on to our website, that is www.silottamahandloom.in, and you can directly purchase from our website also. This is another design in tussar silk saree. This is also very elegant color combination. It's red with blue color combination. Rich look saree. It's also diagonally decrease design. After dripping, it's look like this, and this is the pallu portion of the saree. Very exclusive design, clean design, very clean. See, this is very intricate design, and the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree. This is a pure tussar silk saree. Pure tussar silk, desi tussar. You will get the silk mark. You will get silk mark certification with every saree. It's look like this. This saree price is 8,800. I am giving you every detailed look of this saree. This is the work. Okay, saree in Kantha. We are dyeing this saree in black. Then we are doing this Kantha work in this saree. First up of the saree is this jal motif, and very colorful saree. This is the pallu portion. There is no separate pallu of this saree. This is the beauty of this saree. It's grey tussar silk saree. Actually, it's black, but it's looking like charcoal grey. This is the saree look. After dripping, how it's look, you can check the mannequin picture also in the screen. And this is the pallu portion. There is no separate pallu. That is the beauty of the saree. Now see the close look of the saree. See the work. Now I am showing you the back part. This is the back portion of the sari, and the blouse piece we are doing the plain. We are doing plain blouse of this sari. This sari price is 8,350. This sari price 8,350. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Otherwise, you can get the payment link in the description box, and you can directly purchase from our website also. That is, our website is www.tilotamahandloom.in. If you like our saris, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And if you like the saris, please share with your friends and family. Silk sari. This is also Gachi Tasar. All the saris tassels we are using this episode is Gachi Tasar. That's why the price is little higher. And pure premium quality tassels, Gachi Tasar, and the work is very integrated. See the work. Okay, both side border is very beautiful. This is the both side border, and you can check the full picture also in the screen. And this is the pallu portion of the sari. Very elegant, very elegant. So this is the full sari look. I'm giving you the close look also, so you can check the designs. And it has the blouse piece also. It has a small orli motif also in the borders with the temples. This is a separate blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this is the blouse piece of the sari. And this is, I love the sari. Very beautiful one. Very beautiful this sari. This sari price is 8,850. This sari is pure Gachi Tasar, and you get the silk mark certification with this sari. This is the full sari. Okay. This is our next sari. This is grey with pink and white color combination. Color combination is very beautiful. This is grey Bangalore silk, and both side border is in bird motif, and all over the sari have the butta also. Pink with white color combination butta. Very elegant, soothing color combination. This is the pallu portion of the sari. Lokshi Katha portion of the sari, and full sari going through like the same. The close look of the sari. See, all the work are hand stitched work. Okay, hand stitched embroidery, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. The Vishnupuri 3D Katan. It's violet with blue color combination, and the thread work we are using it's white thread work, and all over the body and middle part of the body has a small floral buttas. This is the sari look. Okay, this is the sari look. This is a very colorful pallu. This is the pallu portion of the sari, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse. See, this is the pallu, and this is the body part of the sari. This is the back part of the sari. You can check the hand embroidery also. This is the back portion. This is very neat hand embroidery work, hand kantha work actually, and the price is 7,500. This is the full sari. Another Tasar silk sari, the Gachi Tasar. This sari, all the saris are pure quality Gachi Tasar silk, and this sari Gachi Tasar, and it has a original Tasar color, and we are doing the only black color thread on it. Very elegant looking sari. This is the pallu portion of the sari, and blouse piece is running. This is the blouse part of the sari. Okay, this is the full sari look. See, this is the work of the sari. This is the work. Okay, and I'm showing you the back part also. To ensure that is all the embroidery work are the hand embroidery work. This is the look of the sari, and if you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Otherwise, you can log on to our website, that is www.tilotamahandloom.in, and you can directly purchase from our website also. This is another sari, beautiful color combination. This is also in Tasar silk. This is yellow with the light brown color, and it has a small touch of rust, touch of orange color, orange rust. This piping is light orange color. That is the beauty of the sari, and this is a yellow with light brown with the black thread designs on it. First we are doing the hand painting of this sari, and then we are doing the kantha work of the sari. This is the pallu portion of the sari. It's lightweight pallu. This is the work of the sari. This is the pallu work of the sari. This is contrast in orange. This is a blouse piece, and we are providing this kantha work design for the border portion. See. Okay, this is the border portion. Price is 8,500. And if you like to take wholesale, then you can contact the same number, that is 7890721706. We are doing wholesale also, so if you like to take wholesale, then you can contact us. This is a full sari. This is another Tassa silk sari. This is pink with black color combination. It's onion pink, beautiful color combination, pink with black. Actually, it's not dark black, it's charcoal grey actually. In Tassa color, it's black, looking like charcoal grey, and both side border is polka motifs. This is the polka motifs in black thread, and it has also the butta design in the body. This is also dyed tassar. It's onion pink color dyed tassar, and then we are doing the kantha work on it. This is the pallu portion of the sari. This is the pallu part of the blouse piece of the sari. We are doing this pink color with the black thread for the hand and back use. And this is the beauty of the sari blouse. And this is the pallu back side. This is the back side of the sari to show you the it's hand embroidery sari, and this sari price is 7,500. This is another hand embroidery, hand work, kantha work sari in tassar. First half of the sari is full jal work. It's this multicolored thread work on it. This is the pallu portion of the sari, tassar color, and we are only using different color shades, different multicolored threads on it to look like it's very colorful. This is the pallu work. This is the pallu work. And all over the sari, going through like this, the multicolored thread of work on it, and showing you the back part of the sari. This is the back part also. See the back part of the sari, to ensure that all the saris are hand embroidery sari. Elegant sari. This sari price is 8,550. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. The last kantha work sari of this episode. This is a grey with red and tassar color combination. Beautiful color combination. We are dyeing the sari in the light grey color combination. It's middle part of the sari, and upper part of the sari base color is in grey. Base color is in tassar color, and we are using red thread on it. Look, very beautiful, very elegant color combination of the sari. This is the pallu portion of the sari. This is the pallu part of the sari, and blouse is in contrast. This is red. This is the contrast blouse piece portion of the sari. See how the work is very neatly done. All these are hand embroidery kantha, hand stitched kantha. This is the border portion of the sari. Okay, all these are hand embroidery, hand kantha work. This is the last sari of this episode, and lastly I am showing you one Gujarati sari, Gujarati stitched sari. This is the back portion. See, this is the back portion of the sari. This sari price is 8,950. All these saris are silk mark certified pure silk sari, pure Bengal silk, pure tassar silk, and pure Vishnupuri silk. So this is the last sari of this episode, and now I am showing a quick look of the Gujarati stitch sari in this episode. This is the Gujarati stitch sari. You get the silk mark. All the sari, actually I am showing you this silk mark certification. You will get this silk mark with all these saris which we are showing this episode. So this is the last sari. This is also silk mark certified pure silk. It's pure Bangalore silk sari, and color is very beautiful. We have only one piece in this sari. This is the Gujarati stitch. This is the full sari look. This is the pallu portion of the sari. This is also hand Gujarati. This has also hand Gujarati. See the back portion of the sari. This is to show this is the hand embroidery. All these work are hand embroidery. And this is the running blouse piece. And we will get this stitched work border. This is a stitched work border for the blouse. Okay. So after ripping, it's small temples in the upper border, and it's a long temples in the lower side border. Beautiful sari, beautiful design. You can also buy this sari. You can get the sari in our website also. In Kantha Work segment, you will get all these saris, and particularly this is the Gujarati stitch sari. This sari price is 8,490. You will get all the saris in our website, and you can directly purchase from our website also. Otherwise, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us, and I will give you the payment link payment options there. You can directly purchase. And if you like to take wholesale, then you can contact the same number, that is 7890721706. We are doing wholesale also. That's all for today. Hope you like our sarees in this episode. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye.